Hello and welcome to another video. In today's video, it is another Mother's Day gift idea, but it is not a gift basket, you guys. I am bringing you something that I wanted to do early in the season. I wanted to introduce you to my first craft, which is the craft of jewelry making. But for those who do not know, I do have a jewelry brand. It is called Kiersy Kay Designs, okay? So what I did was I took one of the hottest selling pieces that I have in my shop and I created a beautiful gift box idea surrounding this piece, okay? So this is what the particular box looks like. I mean, this is what it looks like on the outside, and I am going to show you what it looks like on the inside. So it has some flowers in there, and I put the chocolate surrounding the necklace. This necklace is so beautiful. It is so well made, and I just love the concept of this particular box. This is the necklace and what it looks like. It comes on a really nice chain, and it has an extender on there. So what I've done was I cleaned it up really good, and I put it in one of my Kiersy Kay boxes where it is presented very well. So what I plan to do, because I have this box sold already, so I do have another customer that also liked this particular design. So what I did was I found another box from Marshall's, because this came from Home Goods, but I got this from Joann's, and I am going to basically do the same concept with this particular box. So the first thing I'm going to do is try to take off this label without ruining the box. So now that I have the label moved from the bottom, now we are ready to go ahead and put our packing paper on the inside of the box. As you can see, this is not a huge box, so I'm a little nervous at how everything is going to line up inside the box. So I have everything that I need. I'm going to use a little bit of packing paper. All right, so this is what it looks like so far. The next thing I am going to do is take some gift tissue paper, and we are going to place it over the top of our packing paper. I'm going to fold it as neat as I can and place it on the inside. And then I'm going to see exactly where I want my necklace to fit, which I think right here is pretty good. Right in the center. So I'm going to push down the packing paper because I want to make sure the lid is able to fold over the necklace without any resistance. Just like that. Okay? All right, so the box is yellow. I think I am going to go with pink and yellow because I don't have any more of these white flowers. I have them in pink, so this light pink I think is going to work great. So I'm going to take my flowers and I'm going to cut a few flowers off. I don't think I'm going to need a whole lot of flowers. And again, I got these from Michael's. They were a bridal bouquet or bridesmaid bouquet. They were on sale, so I picked them up because I knew what I was gonna do with them. All right, so I am going to place my flowers inside my box. We do have our chocolates right here, these fancy Ferrero Rocher. Hopefully I said that right. Don't judge me. So we are going to see exactly where we are going to place our chocolates. I don't want to take it out of the package because the package itself is just really, really elegant. So I am going to find a way to get both the necklace and the chocolate on the inside where everything is displayed in a very nice, elegant manner. It's difficult to work from this angle, but if you can just kind of see where I'm going with it. And what I might have to do is take my necklace and just bring it up more in the box. So it would be nice to have the chain, more of the chain showing, but I may not be able to do that. But it is okay. We're gonna keep working and we are going to figure it out. All right, guys, so as you can see, I went ahead and rearranged the items on the inside to make it fit. I think it is going to work. I wanted to make sure that it closed. It doesn't close as well as I wanted to, but I think it will work for what I needed to do. All right, so now that I have my flowers on the inside, I've got my chocolate on the inside. What I'm going to do is add some more decorative flowers just right here in the corner. And I do want to use, I've got two colors. I've got this yellow, which these are going to go on the outside, and on the inside I think I'm going to use just this I guess I'm going to have to use these on the inside as well. I was gonna go with this smaller yellow rose, but as you can see, I am out of them and I don't want to take them from this right here because this is actually perfect. So I am just going to use these sunflowers here and they are going to work just fine. And I picked these up from Joann's. And don't forget to use a little bit of essential oils. Just rub a little bit on your finger so that way you can just rub just a little bit of oil like right in the center of your flower. That'll give it a really nice floral scent. Like I said in my last video, I have been doing that for a while and it works so perfect. So what do you guys think of this? How cute is this box going to be? And what I could do, just like I have this label on the outside of this box, I could put one of my brand labels right here. I think that would be a really good touch. So I might have to do that, y'all. So this is what it looks like so far. It is coming along good. Presentation is so well. So the next thing I am going to do, add a nice flower right here on the outside. What I could do is just use this single flower on the outside. How does that look, y'all? What y'all think? What do you think? Should I use the single rose in this bowl or should I use the sunflower? Should I switch it up or keep going with the sunflower thing? Not too bad, not too bad. Or my sunflower. All right, sunflower. Sunflower or the rose. And I know what some of y'all thinking, just use both of them. Just use both of them. I know y'all like a book. I know y'all. I know my people. I know my people. All right, so let's see what I want to do. Y'all give me just a second. Let me see what we're gonna do here. Too much? Too much? Might be a little too much. So we are gonna just keep our sunflower theme going because I think that looks good. Cause y'all know me, I be doing too much sometimes. So we just gonna keep it simple. We are not going to overwork ourselves. So we just going to keep it simple. And we are going to go with the sunflower. All right, guys, so this is what I decided on. I think it looks really good, so we are going to leave well enough alone. Like I said, I do think I want to put one of my Kiersy Kay labels on the inside of this box. So this is what the labels look like before they are put on. So this is called UVDTF, and what I do is get these printed off, and you just peel the label, and then you just stick it right where you want it to go. So I want to make sure it is centered nicely, because one thing with this, once you place it, it's no pull it up and start over. I mean, wherever it goes down, that's just where it goes down. So once you get it placed, I think it's pretty centered. I'm not gonna be too upset about it if it is not. So what you would do then, usually you would take a little squeegee and just kind of rub it. That way the material can adhere to the surface. But I don't have my squeegee. So what I'm gonna do is just rub it really, really good. It's just peel the little outer film. And then it leaves your label right where you want it. So like I said, this is UVDTF transfers. So I get these sheets and I put these on my box. That way it doesn't look like a label is stuck to the box. It looks like it's made into the box. So that's why I love this so much. And that's what I use in my business. I think it looks great. It really gave it a customized look to it. And this is what it looks like. So the last thing I'm going to do is I'm gonna go ahead and gift wrap it. What I like to do is gift wrap my items. Everything that I sell, if it's not being shipped, if I'm dropping it off, or if a customer is picking it up, I always want it to be gift wrapped. So I'm gonna take one of my bags. It's just a regular bag. The decoration is in the box. So I'm gonna take just a plain white bag. I always use a white gift bag as a part of my branding. You will always see a white gift bag with tissue paper. So I'm gonna take this box and just place it right on the inside of the bag. It's a pretty tight fit, but you know what? We're gonna make it work because I don't wanna get too big of a bag. And we're gonna just slide it right down on the inside. So once we get it on the inside, usually I'll put a business card, and I like to give like a free gift, like a little lotion or a sample or something on the inside, but I'm not gonna put anything on the inside. And I'm just gonna take some gift tissue paper. And when I deliver this, my customer doesn't have to do anything. All she has to do is just gift it to whoever she is going to gift it to. And that is it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Like I said, it was a little different from what I usually do, but I did want to highlight this beautiful hot selling necklace that is in the Kiersy Kay lineup. Of course, I will leave a link in the description if you want to check it out. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.